Hello, dear children. How are you all? I hope everybody very fit and fine and doing your study. So, children, today we are going to learn part 3 video of chapter Reaching Grandmother's House. Yes, children. So, children, today part 3 this video we are going to learn a very interesting topic. So, all of you, my dear, watch the video up to the last, children. So all of you very nicely watch the video up to the last so that you get a proper idea. So here, which station name written, children, in this? Yes, children, tell me the name, which station name, and where is Omana's grandmother house? So all of you give the answer in comment sections. And now, children, see what is this, children? What is this station? So many station name, children. Not only station name, so many thing is written: arrival time, departure time, distance in kilometer, day also. Can you guess, children? What is this? Can you guess? Please write in the comment section. What is this? So many station name: Kottayam, Gandhidham, Ahmedabad, Surat, Valshad. What is this, children? Please identify. Can you guess this? What is that?
These few questions are there. Now see, students, what is railway timetables? Railway timetables give details about the routes of every train, the station along the routes, what time the train will reach and leave each stations. Understood, students? Look at very carefully student video. The distance covered also it's mentioned. We can buy a railway timetable from where, students? From a railway station. Okay. So railway timetables gives the details about the route of every trains. Okay. The stations along the routes and what time the train will reach and leave each stations. So this all information we get from railway timetables. How much distance covered also. Okay, students. So like see. Now see, student, some portions of the timetables for the route of the train on which Omana travels are given. Look carefully at it and answer the following questions. Okay, students, whatever the questions will be come from this, you will give the answer very properly. First of all, you look at this railway portion of the timetables for the route of the train on which Omana travels. Okay, so see, a station, serial number, station name. Okay, station name, arrival time, the time when train arrive, and departure time also mentioned there in the timetable as I told earlier. And distance, see the kilometer, in kilometer, students, point to be noted, distance in which kilometer, day 1. Okay, so which day Omana reach, so everything is which day wise day they are mentioning in the timetable. So look at Gandhidham first, railway station name, starting of the journey. Then
so children, look the first station, Gandhidham. Yes, what is the departure time? Please tell me. Yes, children, 5:15 is the departure time. So it's clear, I think, everybody. Next, children, tell me, from which station did the train start? Yes, children, guess, please. See the timetable and tell me the answer. Yes, children, Gandhidham is the correct answer for this question. Yes, so I think everybody understood how to see the timetable. So let's see the another questions. Yes, children, and think and say the answer. Now here is another question, children. How many minutes did the train stop at Ahmedabad stations? So all of you very nicely give the answer. Exactly, it is the correct answer. 20 minutes. Yes, children, you see the departure time and arrival time. So what are interesting, children. By seeing the timetable only we can find everything. What time train leave the station and what time train stop at that. How much stop in the station. Right, children? So all details we get it. Now, children, see one a very beautiful video about a girl, Gia.
Now tell me, which places did your train pass through?
Grandpa, I remember. It went through Goa, but I don't know the names of the other places.
Do you know? Zia's train passed through which places?
Zia, every train has a timetable. Just like your school timetable. It gives us a lot of information about the train. Like when will the train reach the station, how long it will stay there, and how much distance it will cover.
Oh, I didn't know about the train's timetable.
Zia does not know. But do you know about the train's timetable? Look at this timetable. Can you answer some questions by looking at it? At what time did the train arrive at the Madgaon station? Answer: 7:35 a.m. For how long did the train stop at the Madgaon station? Answer: 10 minutes. How many days did the train take to reach the Surat station? Answer: 1 day. What was the distance covered by the train till it reached the Surat station? Answer: 530 kilometers.
Zia, in which vehicle did you enjoy the most?
A train ride is my favorite, Grandpa.
Which vehicle do you like to travel the most? Train, airplane, bus, auto, ferry, or something else?
Zia, you have traveled in a lot of vehicles in the last few days. For now, let's travel on foot and walk to the park.
Absolutely, Grandpa. I love to look around while walking. Oh, Bobo, you also come with us.
Zia, Grandpa and Bobo set out for the park together.
So very nice. So walking is very good for our health. Yes. So children, which vehicles do you like to travel most? Please write, children. Which vehicles do you like? Now here is few questions for you, children. Solve it in your class or copy. And children, once again read the textbook very nicely and loudly in your home. So thank you, children. Have a nice day.